guys, how's everyone's New Year's going? I hope everyone's having an amazing New Year so far. Today I want to pop on here and talk a bit about my favorite items at the moment. So if you're new to my channel, I make makeup related content with a specific focus on mono-led makeup tutorials as well as beauty product reviews, and I also like to make funny relatable point of view shorts because I think everyone could use a good laugh these days. So if that sounds good to you, feel free to subscribe. So let's just dive right in. The first item on my list is my Marc Jacobs Teddy Tote. So I just love the Sherpa material. I have a big affinity for Sherpa material, and I love the camel color. I just think it makes for a great winter bag. I feel like people are always kind of split over Sherpa material items. They either love them or they hate them, and I personally love them. I do have a few gripes with this bag though. One of them being there are no organizational compartments inside, so I just kind of like dump everything in here and it's not the easiest to find what I'm looking for. I have resorted to using like little pouches to organize my items in here, but yeah, that's one gripe I have. Also, I discovered a mysterious clump of Sherpa material on my couch, so I don't know if this bag is like shedding already, but it's disappointing because these bags aren't exactly the cheapest. Also, funny side note is that my boyfriend calls this bag Paddington Bear, so I just think it's funny how my bag has a nickname. Okay, next item on my list is my Philosophy Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere Perfume. So this is not a new item. I actually bought it last year during Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and I just love the light, sweet vanilla scent of this perfume. And I'm always on the lookout for a light scent because I've had experiences where I wear like stronger, more overpowering perfume and it starts out okay at the beginning of the day, but at the end of the day I have like a nauseating, pounding headache. So luckily I haven't experienced that with this perfume yet. And also, funny thing is, I don't know why, but the scent kind of reminds me of the holidays, and that's my favorite time of the year, so it's a good place to take me to. But yeah, I'm kind of running low, I'm halfway through, so I'm hoping that this is also going to be included in Ulta 21 Days of Beauty this year. Okay, next item on my list is my Too Faced Brown Sugar Cinnamon Palette. So one thing I really love is that the compact size of this palette. It makes it really easy to travel. And also, I love all the colors included here. There's just a lot of wearable neutrals, warm shades, and shimmers, and I think it's really easy to create effortless, natural, everyday eye looks. And I feel like I've been gravitating towards this palette like day to day. I will say it doesn't smell like Pop-Tarts, which is disappointing because that's the theme. And I will also say that I was looking for the Too Faced Pop-Tart Strawberry palette because I think the reds and the pinks make for a good Valentine's Day / Lunar New Year look, but I couldn't find either of these anymore. So I'm guessing this was some limited edition palette and is sold out everywhere already, but yeah, that's just my guess. Okay, next item on my list is the Too Faced Mary Mary palette. So obviously I love the cute theme. I think Too Faced always nails that. And I love how it smells like refreshing pine. And also, I just think this is a great all-in-one palette. I would definitely take this with me if I was traveling because it's got the built-in blush, the built-in highlighter. It's got like a diverse array of colors so you can create various looks while you're traveling. And I have to say, the blush and the highlighter work really well. I've actually gotten compliments from people asking me like, what are you wearing? Like, you look so glowy. So yep, this palette. And so Too Faced, if you're listening, you might want to consider releasing those as separate items because there seems to be a demand. And I love the shimmers in this palette, especially Winter Wonderland. It has a chromatic sheen to it. And I feel like there's colors to create like fun green eye looks if you're going for that, and also like browns if you want to do like a natural everyday eye look. So again, like a great all-in-one palette to take with you when you're traveling. Okay, so the next item on my favorite list is, look what I found, the UGG Fluffy Ass Slipper. So I currently have this slipper, but it's very worn down on the soles because I wear it so much and I love it so much. But I was looking for this style and I couldn't find it anywhere anymore because I love the strap. It keeps my foot in place and I feel like it's so plush and soft and perfect for wearing around the house. But yeah, I couldn't find anywhere, and actually I had posted a few videos about it, and UGG actually replied and told me that they have discontinued this style indefinitely, which was sad to hear, but I also do want to give UGG a shout out for just interacting and engaging with your fans. Whoever's running your social media strategy is doing an awesome job. But I actually found these at Victoria's Secret. So if you're looking for discontinued styles of Uggs, you might be able to find it at Victoria's Secret, so something to keep in mind. Okay, the next favorite item I have is my sleep eye mask. So this one's by the brand Kish. I believe I got it from Ulta. Also, I think it was at a discount. But I will say, I feel like my quality of sleep took a big hit starting in 2020. And I think it's just like all the anxiety and the stress. So I was looking for a way to improve it, and I decided to invest in a sleep eye mask. And I feel like it has dramatically improved. I think the texture and the material is so cooling and comfortable against the eyes, so it doesn't bother me at all. It also helps block out the light and remove distractions. So usually like when the sunlight starts seeping into my room, that's when I start stirring and waking up. But this has done a great job of blocking it out and helping me maintaining a higher quality of sleep. So something to consider if you don't have blackout curtains, which I don't. Okay, so the last two items aren't really items I purchased recently. They're more like activities or hobbies I'm currently enjoying at the moment. So one of them being, I think I started doing this during the holidays, but just like putting on a good cozy playlist in the background while I'm doing my work or cleaning or just going about my day-to-day activities or getting ready with me. I think it helps maintain like a calming zen state of mind, and I feel like it has been helping me boost my mood as well. And also, it almost makes me feel like I'm transported to some sort of high-end cafe. So yeah, I'll put some recommendations in the description box below, but definitely check those out. Okay, so the last thing on my list is going for walks outside. I'm definitely someone who spends the majority of the day at my desk on my computer for work, so I think it's a good practice to just block out some time during the day and, go for a walk. Get some steps in, get some fresh air, be at one with nature. I think it's a good way to de-stress, maintain a better work-life balance, and I've definitely seen an immense boost to my mood every day. So thanks for watching. Those are my current favorite items and activities at the moment. Let me know about your favorite activities and items at the moment, and if any of those are on your list. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content.